in me head. Ancient voice, them not dead, not dead. From the dust of the road when me barefoot walk. Ancient story, them whisper when the old man talk. Chain them gone, but the scars still stay. History a teacher, if you choose to obey. From slavery days to the ghetto yard, same system change face, but the heart still hard. You see me father cry, me mother pray. Not for them me part still guide me way. Echoes of the past, hear them call me name. Engine fire still burning on me vein. If me know where me come from, me can't go lost. Wisdom of the treasure where time can cost. Echoes of the past feel like drumming on my chest. Yesterday pain shake, tomorrow base. Hold the faith strong no matter the task. Future bright when you honor the past. Old vinyl, spinning truth on the turntable. Prophet them sing when the world unstable. Marcus Vice still a travel through time. Liberation song, them now lose them right. Babylon try to erase the mind, but memory a weapon when the soul align. Every dreadlock carry history read. Every chant a key fi unlock the gate. Echoes of the past, hear them call me name. Ancient fire still burning on me vein. If me know where me come from, me can't go lost. Wisdom of the treasure where time can cost. Remember, remember who you be. Remember, Africa in a way. Drum beat slow, but the message fast. Oh, no future strong without the past. Get a youth hold firm, no sell your soul. Holding on your spirit, not the pot, them a cool. Learn from the elder, learn from the pain. Rain fall heavy, but it clean the brain. Me not chase hype, me walk with truth. Roots in the ground from the tender youth. When the night feel cold and the road feel rough, echoes remind me, say me strong, you know. Echoes of the past, light the way. Ancient voice, them guide me day by day. From the ash, rise strength, not fear. For whatever, backward never hear. Still I listen, still I learn. Echoes never fade. Jolly. Yeah. Hear the drum them talk. Echoes of the past still a ringing on me head. The ancient voice them nowadays. Nowadays. From the dust of the road when me barefoot walk, ancient story them whisper when the old man talk. Chain them gone, but the scars still stay. History a teacher if you choose to obey. From slavery days to the ghetto yard, same system change face, but the heart still hard. Me see my father cry, my mother pray. Echoes of the past still guide me way. Echoes of the past, hear them call me name. Ancient fire still burning on me vein. If me know where me come from, me can't go lost. Wisdom of the treasure where time can cost. Echoes of the past need like drumming on my chest. Yesterday pain shape tomorrow base. Hold the faith strong no matter the task. Future bright when you honor the past. Old vinyl spinning truth on the turntable. Prophet them sing when the world unstable. Marcos voice still a travel through time. Liberation song them not lose them rhyme. Babylon try to erase the mind, but memory a weapon when the soul align. Every dreadlock carry history weight. Every chant a key, we unlock the gate. Echoes of the past, hear them coming in. Ancient fire still burning on me vein. If me know where me come from, me can't go lost. Wisdom of the treasure where time can cause. Echoes of the past, need like drumming on me chest. Yesterday pain shape tomorrow base. Hold the faith strong no matter the task. Future bright when you honor the past. Remember who you be. Remember Africa in a way. Drum beat slow but the message fast. No future strong without the past. Echo youth hold firm, no sell your soul. Hold in your spirit, not the pot them a cool. Learn from the elder, rain from the pain. Rain fall heavy but it clean the brain. Me not chase side, me walk with truth. Roots in the ground from me tender youth. When the night feel cold and the road feel rough, echoes remind me say me strong enough. Echoes of the past, like me wear. Ancient voice them guide me day by day. From the ash rise strength, not fear. Forever backward never hear. Still I listen, still I learn. Echoes never fade. Jalif.